mesothelioma lawsuit. So mesothelioma lawsuit, how can you can apply for this and how it will work? So I will show you. So here you can see that there everything there you can get websites like mesothelioma. If you search mesothelioma suits in the Google Chrome or any browser, so you will get this all results. So you can choose any one of these results. So I will choose these results. So finally, it was opened up, and they say there is a already mentioned mesothelioma lawsuit. So mesothelioma lawsuit helps victims and their families pursue financial compensations for negligent manufacture of asbestos containing products. So you might be remember about this, and most mesothelioma lawsuits settle out of court around $1 million, so US dollar. Working with an experienced attorney, maybe you secure financially compensations. So here you can click, by clicking here you will get the lawyers and you can appointment with them. So here you see so many things already mentioned here, like who can file a mesothelioma lawsuit. So individual who have been diagnosed with mesothelioma may be eligible to pursue legal compensations through mesothelioma lawsuit. Mesothelioma lawsuit secure valuable financial compensation from negligent asbestos product manufacturer to help pay for treatment and other expenses. Suppose if you are facing with these diseases, then you can claim for this mesothelioma lawsuit. Compensations will be given directly to you for treatment and other expenses. Your lawsuit must improve your mesothelioma diagnosis and it caused by Asbestos explorer. Additionally, a spouse, adult child, or another state representative may be able to file a lawsuit on the victim. In case if you are unable to file the lawsuit, mesothelioma, so your wife, your spouse, adults, your child, or another real estate respective members also can file this mesothelioma lawsuit. So we have, if the victim is too, if you are too ill, if your victim is too ill or pass away from their cancer, consulting with experienced mesothelioma attorney is the best way to determine your eligibility to file an asbestos claim. Connect with the lower specialization is mesothelioma litigation to be equality. So here is also some lawyers popped up. You can click on this and you can go through their website for getting best result. Type of mesothelioma lawsuit. There are so many types of mesothelioma lawsuits. See, they are already mentioned asbestos mesothelioma lawsuit that can be filed to help you potentially often financial compensation. Already I told you before, right? So your attorney will you know which types of mesothelioma suit to file for the specific case. You have to first mind it about this mesothelioma lawsuit. So mesothelioma personal injury lawsuit, there are so many types. So I before told you about this also, right? So there is mesothelioma personal injury lawsuit are filed when the individual diagnosed with mesothelioma is still living. You mean you can say that when victim is alive, at time you can file this personal injury lawsuit. So here is also some compensation award mentioned amount determined based on age of the victim, cost of medical treatment. All this will be given by for getting mesothelioma injury lawsuits. Okay, so lost wages if the victim can no longer work, number of defendant name in the lawsuit, number of defendants such as a spouse or child. So I already told you about this also, that the child, spouse, adults and state representative also can file and get compensation for this damages. So pain and suffering, travel expenses, all this will be given. So Mesothelioma wrongful death lawsuit. This is also another law, the wrong death lawsuits. Mesothelioma, real estate representative of loved ones who have passed away for mesothelioma may be able to file a wrongful death lawsuit on their behalf, although the real estate representative is often a family member. I might tell you before also, right? So such as a spouse or adult child representative can be anyone appointed by the law court system. Further, the state can be typically continue a personal injury also. So law surrounding wrongful death lawsuit vary by state. It will be vary by state. Not in every state will be similar. So you have to study about that. You have to research about that before you going to apply for this. So contact a lawyer to determine if you may have a case. Mesothelioma class actions lawsuit and multi-district litigation. So here is also mentioned mesothelioma attorney do not consider class law lawsuit, okay, class actions lawsuit or multi-district litigation. It's you can check and find out that whether it is under this compensations or not, an ideal choice or victim passing fire compensations. Okay, so in this case class actions lawsuit, multiple victims with asbestos related disease are able to file a lawsuit together. If their case is successful, they all receive the same amount of compensation. And MDL is mean of lawsuit and multi-district. Okay, multi-district litigations allow an appointment judge to hear all similar case filed in a federal court. Both lawsuits are typically, so there are some or more revisions given in the below, so you can read about all these things as mentioned. So reasons to file an asbestos lawsuit: mesothelioma is a preventable disease with only one proven case. So it is very rare. You have to, first of all, you have to check out whether you are caused with this dose disease or not. Manufacturers of asbestos containing products hide the well documented danger of asbestos for the public to make a profit. Yeah, here is so many fraud cases already filed in the court, so you might be remember, don't do that for getting compensation. Before you go and check up better and find out the best result for applying this into court. Cover your medical expenses. There are several benefits of filing a mesothelioma lawsuit. Cover your medical expenses. Hold your manufacturer accountable. Fee provides financial security for your family. So, not able asbestos lawsuit compensation amount. Mesothelioma lawsuit that reach out of court settlement typically around awarded 1 million to 1.4 million US dollar. In the rare case that a mesothelioma lawsuit goes to trial, okay, so it will not go for the trial. Victims may win an average of 2.4 million dollar. Step to file a mesothelioma already here mentioned. So first of all, all of you guys, please check out this website. I will give this website in the description, so you can directly visit by getting this website in the descriptions. So first of all, you read all this and then find out the actual issues and then go for the apply. So defendant response, filing the lawsuit, case resolutions, discovery phase, all these things, settlements versus trials. There are few lines mentioned here for settlement versus trial. Your lawyer will work with the defendant lawyer to reach out of course settlement agreement can be reached at any stage of the Mesothelioma. So as I also told you before, right? Process but often occur shortly before a trial date. So you guys please go and check this website, very important. So settlement is low risk. Lawyer does the heavy filing, no add cost for trial appeal. So and trials is higher risk. You may have to appear in court. Additional legal fees also required for this. Why should I file a Mesothelioma lawsuit? Here already mentioned, I will not going to explain it very well. Okay, so you guys go and visit this website.